Destiny allowed. Follow for more information.
Canada Immigration, New PR Pathway via RCIP. April 2025. Canada is expanding the Rural Community Immigration Pilot, RCIP, to help fill labor gaps in small cities. 2 communities just announced their priority job sectors in Ontario and Manitoba. In Ontario, 1. Sault Ste. Marie, priority sectors. Total spots, 300 sectors. Included, education and community services, healthcare, manufacturing, sales and service trades and transport. 2. Brandon, Manitoba, priority jobs. Total spots, 180, 15% reserved for healthcare workers. Here's a quick breakdown of jobs, no-see codes and language, CLB levels. Healthcare, nurses, doctors, LPNs, dentists, CLB 5 to 6. Education and social work, early childhood educators, CLB 5. Manufacturing, butchers, poultry workers, CLB 4. Engineering and tech, civil mechanical engineers and technicians, IT support, CLB 5 to 6. Trades, carpenters, plumbers, painters, HVAC, welders, laborers, CLB 4 to 5. Each job has a CLB requirement, English level. 3. How to qualify for RCIP. Get a valid job offer from a designated employer in one of these communities. Job must match one of the priority occupations. Meet language level and work experience requirements. Employer lists not announced yet. Stay tuned. 4. Why this matters. RCIP gives a direct pathway to permanent residency. Less competition than express entry. Ideal for skilled workers in trades, healthcare, and engineering. If your job is listed, start preparing. Polish your resume. Improve your CLB score. Watch for employer updates.
Destiny allowed. Follow for more information.